Hey there, dog lovers! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best products in the market. Today, we have something special for all you Doberman owners out there. The Healthy Breeds Doberman Pincher Oatmeal Shampoo with Aloe 16. If you've been looking for the perfect shampoo to pamper your Doberman's coat and skin, you're in for a treat. Let's dive right into the details of this fantastic product. So, what makes this shampoo the best choice for your Doberman? Let's find out. First off, this shampoo is specifically formulated to provide relief for itchy, scaling, and sensitive skin. Thanks to its mild oatmeal and aloe formula, it's perfect for dogs with sensitive skin or allergies. Now, let's talk about some of the key benefits of this shampoo. It's hypoallergenic, which means it's safe for use with topical flea control treatments, keeping your pup pest-free. Plus, it's pH balanced and soap-free, ensuring that it gently cleanses your dog's skin and coat without stripping away natural moisture and emollients. And here's the kicker, it's made in the USA. You can buy with confidence knowing that it's produced in federally regulated manufacturing facilities, offering you excellent quality and safety. Oh, and did I mention the delightful piña colada scent? Your Doberman will not only feel fresh and clean but will also smell amazing after each bath. Now, let's talk about options. The Healthy Breeds Doberman Pincher Oatmeal Shampoo comes in a 16 ounces bottle. You can also get it in a pack of 2 if you prefer to stock up. But wait, there's more. Healthy Breeds also offers a deodorizing shampoo and a brightening shampoo for lighter coats. So, no matter your Doberman's needs, they've got you covered. Now, before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at what customers are saying about this product. As you can see, it has received fantastic reviews. Customers love how it leaves their dog's fur soft and shiny, and many have praised the pleasant scent. And if you're interested in other grooming products, Healthy Breeds offers a range of options for different breeds, so you can find the perfect fit for your furry friend. In conclusion, the Healthy Breeds Doberman Pincher Oatmeal Shampoo with Aloe 16 ounces is truly the best choice for your Doberman's grooming needs. It's gentle, effective, and made with care in the USA. So, if you want to keep your Doberman looking and feeling their best, make sure to check out this fantastic product. You can find the link in the description below. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments and questions down below. And, as always, stay tuned for more fantastic product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching.